news at noon. Next.
It was a rough mid-morning as a shot of snow swept in from the west.
One weekend counting to Michigan's presidential primary as Mitt Romney makes another swing through our state.
And a man charged with killing a 6-year-old Flint boy withdraws his plea. Find out why the victim's family is pleased. Coming up on ABC 12 News at noon.
Your number one news station in Michigan, ABC.
Need versatility and choice this winter? Go Chevy. Go capable in Traverse with seating for up to 8 and a 5-star overall vehicle score. Go smart in Equinox with up to 32 mpg highway and 3 straight Consumers Digest Best Buy awards. Now, well-qualified GM employees and family members can lease this 2012 Traverse LS for around $249 a month. Or well-qualified GM employees and family members can lease this 2012 Equinox LS for around $249 a month. Call for details. See your Mid-Michigan Chevy dealer today.
America is drowning in national debt. Yet Rick Santorum
What?
supported
What, Diego? Did she get away? Did she get away? Yeah, yes she did. Did she get away? Yeah, she did. Go get her. Just get the key. Whoa, whoa.